Why patience matters right now. If you are a Bitnex user and the back office is currently unavailable, shows a timeout, or you see a 403, 404, or 500 error, this video is for you. There is no reason to run from website to website looking for another way in. Right now, patience is not doing nothing. Patience is part of protecting your account. Bytnex is currently going through a major technical repair, security, data restoration, and synchronization process. According to information shared through support and leadership channels, this is not a small website update. The system contains more than 90 servers and serves a very large international community. Some of the current work has to be completed manually. Accounts, dashboards, contracts, databases, server information, and synchronization between different parts of the system all have to match correctly. That takes time. It is also important to understand the history. For many years, we did not experience this type of repeated technical interruption. The more complicated period began in late 2025. At that time, changes involving certain European DeFi pools created additional technical work. These changes did not affect every country and every contract. They affected specific contracts connected to specific pools. But from that point, several technical processes began to overlap. After that came synchronization work and account-level corrections. Some parts of the system returned before others. We personally observed in previous updates that access could return gradually. One user might already be able to enter while another account, region, or function was still being processed. This is important today as well. Seeing another person enter the system does not automatically mean that every account and every function has already been fully restored. There was another serious challenge. According to support information shared with the community, Bytnex also experienced major security attacks. During these periods, the system had to remain offline while the security problems were addressed. Security became one of the most important parts of the technical work, and this is exactly why simply patching one visible problem after another is not enough. When several technical issues have accumulated, the responsible solution is to clean up the system properly, synchronize the data, secure the infrastructure, and restore the functions in an orderly way. This also explains why statements such as, "An IT team could fix this in a few hours," do not describe the situation accurately. Information shared after the recent German Zoom meeting explained that a significant amount of the work has to be done manually. Programmers and technicians have to work through dashboards and servers, restore data, check synchronization, and make security corrections. With a system of this size, this is not a 2-hour job. Leadership information passed through the DAO indicated that the technical team is currently working toward completing the major part of this process around mid-August. Please understand the word correctly. This is an estimate. It is not a guaranteed deadline. The leadership itself depends on the technical team completing the work safely. Giving the technicians enough time is more important than forcing an artificial date. And now we come to one of the most important messages in this video. If the official Bytnex login page is offline, do not search for another Bitnex login page. Do not search Google for a replacement. Do not use an unknown link from Telegram. Do not use a link sent to you privately. The official login link is provided in the description of this video. Use only that official route. Fake, phishing, and mirror websites have already appeared. Some of them look almost identical to the real Bytnex interface. That is exactly what makes them dangerous. Members of our own community have already lost login information after entering their credentials on fake pages. So please think about this carefully. Would you rather wait a few days or give your login information to a scam website? The fact that a website looks like Bytnex does not make it Bitnex. When the real website is temporarily offline, another website does not become official simply because it is working. This is one of the most important lessons of this maintenance period. Save the official address. Use the official address. And if that address is temporarily unavailable, wait. Patience right now is part of security. Many users are also asking about contracts and payments. From our previous experience, when the web interface was temporarily offline, blockchain-based contracts continued to operate in the background. After previous technical interruptions, accumulated information and contract results became visible again when the relevant system functions returned. The current support and leadership information also indicates that pending processes and payments are expected to continue being handled as the affected functions are restored. This does not mean that we are promising a personal payment date. We are explaining the information currently available to the community. This is important because temporary technical inaccessibility and a stopped contract are not the same thing. The back office is the interface through which users see and operate parts of the system. The technical work on that interface does not automatically mean that everything behind it has stopped. When the relevant functions become active again, the pending processes can continue to be handled. So again, do not create your own conclusions from a temporary error page. During this process, you may see different technical messages: 403, 404, 500, timeout, or the page may simply not load. These messages can appear while different parts of the system are being worked on. The useful question is not, what terrible thing does this error mean? The useful question is, has the official technical process been declared complete yet? Until it has, we allow the technicians to do their work. We have seen previous Bytnex maintenance periods end with functions returning. In November 2025, for example, a planned database and wallet maintenance period temporarily made the system unavailable, and the system later returned. The current repair is larger and more complex. That is why comparing it to a simple website update would be misleading. But previous experience gives us something useful. We know that temporary technical downtime and the end of a system are not the same thing. So what should a Bytnex user do now? Keep it simple. Use only the official login address. Protect your password and security information. Do not give credentials to anyone by email, telegram, private message, or an unknown website. Follow verified information and give the technical team time to complete the synchronization and security work. There will always be rumors during a period like this. One person says tomorrow, someone else says 6 weeks. Another person creates a theory about regulation, banking, or something completely different. We are not going to do that. We will tell you what we know. We will separate official information from leadership information and leadership information from our own observations. And when something is not confirmed, we will say that too. Clear information is more useful than speculation. Right now, the 3 most useful things are patience, security, clear information. Bytnex technicians are working on the system. Synchronization and security work are continuing. The official website may remain intermittently unavailable during this process, so do not chase alternative links. Do not give scammers the opportunity they are waiting for. Sometimes the smartest action in business is not clicking faster. It is knowing when to wait. You can find the official Bytnex login address in the description below. We will continue sharing verified updates through the Bitnex Global Education Telegram channel as reliable information becomes available. Until then, protect your account, use only the official route, and let the technical work be completed. Patience is not weakness. Right now, patience is part of the solution.